This is a 1970 Harley Davidson Ironhead Sportster XLCH. It's got the kickstart and the electric start. I can't see the frame number. I've rubbed it down where I think it should be, but I can't see it. The engine number's clear. I can't turn it over. It's got no chain to rocking gear, and it's not turning over from the kickstart. There's quite a bit to do on this. It's a full project. I quite like these early Ironhead engines. Pretty much the 60s style with the domed heads. Got the old distributor rather than the point setup. So if you fancy a project, it'll be on eBay.